In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wave accounting subscription. Whether you're moving on to a different platform, simplifying your business finances, or no longer need their services, I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to waveapps.com. As always, make sure that you're safely and securely logged into your Wave account. This is the critical first step, as accessing your subscription settings from here will allow us to perform any necessary changes. Your account credentials, like your email and password, will come in handy, so have them ready if you're prompted to enter them. Once you're logged in, you should see your Wave dashboard, populated with all kinds of useful information about your business finances. But today, we need to direct our attention to the top right corner of this screen. There, you'll find your business name. It's a small detail, but one that's vital for the next step, because by clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Business Settings. This is where you'll find the controls for managing various aspects of your business subscription on Wave. After clicking on Business Settings, you'll be taken to a new settings page, complete with a variety of options. Among these options, look for one labeled Manage Subscriptions. This is the gateway to adjusting any subscriptions or plans you currently have with Wave. Upon selecting Manage Subscriptions, you'll be greeted with an overview of your current plan. This will show you what services you're subscribed to and any details pertaining to your current and past invoices. Here, look for and click on Manage Subscription. This will open up a pop-up window, which is an interface designed to give you straightforward control over your subscription options. Now, take a close look at the pop-up window and find the plan you wish to cancel. Click on it, and it will prompt another opportunity to verify your choice to cancel. This assures that you're making an informed decision and gives you one last chance to reconsider. Finally, to officially terminate your subscription, click on the Cancel Subscription button. Clicking this signifies the completion of the cancellation process, and you will likely receive a confirmation email to notify you that your subscription has been canceled successfully. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Wave accounting subscription. If you encountered any issues along the way, or if there's anything else you'd like to know, feel free to leave a comment or contact Wave's support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.